Hi, I'm Wayne Ryan. I'm the business unit leader for engineering and production in the Archwood Group. Archwood is reducing emissions through the factory's energy consumption by doing a full review of large plant and equipment and trying to reduce this to a minimum where possible. One of the major projects that we undertook was doing a complete machinery re-layout and a remapping of the extraction system, which resulted in reducing the number of extraction fans from 11 down to 7. Additionally, there was approximately 1,000 filtration bags replaced in the system, giving an energy reduction of approximately 10%. We utilised more solar by, after 6 months, running a new electrical supply to fully utilise the solar panels by introducing the warehouse and the office suite onto the system. The two major energy savings is a reduction from 11 to 7 fans, as I mentioned earlier, which is approximately a 35% cost to the business, and also with the extraction filtration bags, that is approximately 10% cost saving as well.